जय जगन्नाथ फ्रेंड्स तथागत जीएसएमसीक्यू आपण मानक बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आशा करुच्ची आपण आपण परिवार बहुत भल थे। तो आज आम गोटे स्पेशल एमसीक्यू वीडियो डिस्कस करवा जो थे कि 2025 रो अवार्ड्स गुड़ाक जिते प्रकार अवार्ड्स अच्छी से सब जाक आम आज डिस्कसन करवा। किसी अवार्ड्स रही जाइए, किसी अवार्ड्स बहुत कॉमन अवार्ड जो गुड़ाक तुम मैंने जानिच से एमसीक्यू रे ऐड करना। आशा करुच्ची आपको वीडियो पसंद आसो। वीडियो को लाइक करिया भूलंतु ना। जदि आप चैनल नुआ अच्छा देन चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करनी आउ बेल आइकन को दबाइबा को भूलंतु ना। तो आउ डेरी न करी आम स्टार्ट करवा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who have been awarded the Midori Prize for Biodiversity 2024? Midori Prize for Biodiversity. So the correct answer of option A, Vera Voronova Isabella Augustina will be the correct answer. Option A will be the correct answer. Next question, which state government has instituted the Adi Gaurav Samman Award? A, Rajasthan, B, Gujarat, C, Haryana, or D, Punjab? So the correct answer will be option A, Rajasthan. Awards honors जेतु RI अमीनो प्रीलिम्स रे बहुत सारा शिफ्ट अच्छी, तो डेफिनेटली ए अवार्ड्स भितर क्वेश्चन बहुत सारा आसीबो। वीडियो टी को एंड जाय देखंतु, किछि भी क्वेश्चन मिस करंतु नाही। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बीन अवार्डेड द नोबेल प्राइज इन लिटरेचर 2024? A, Gabriela Garcia, B, Alexander Pushkin, C, Han Kang, or D, Haruaki Murakami? So the correct answer of Han Kang, साउथ कोरिया रो जे ताको मिली नोबेल प्राइज इन लिटरेचर 2024. What is the name of the Japanese organization that was recently awarded the 2024 Nobel Peace Prize? Tiansui Association, Sompo Welfare Association, Nihon Hidanko, or D, Japanese Council of Social Welfare? तो करेक्ट आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी, निहोन हिदांको। न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स डिसआर्मामेंट करिया पई ए ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टा जो नागासाकी हिरासाकी ऊपर अमेरिका बॉम्ब पकैतला, न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब पकैतला, बहुत सारा लाइफ लॉस्ट हेतला। तो ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टा सही रीजन नु बिलोंग करूची और ये वर्क करूची केमिति न्यूक्लियर डिसआर्मामेंट हबो। हु have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics 2024? A, Darren Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, and James Robinson. B, Joseph E. Stiglitz, James J. Heckman. C, Paul Krugman and Esther Duflo, or D, James J. Heckman and Andre Selfier? So the correct answer of option A, Darren Acemoglu, Simon Johnson, James Robinson. Which state has bagged the best state award in 5th National Water Awards 2023? Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Gujarat? समस्त फेवरेट आंसर हम ओडिशा। The 5th National Water Awards 2023 अनाउंस होइतला न्यू दिल्ली रे। ओडिशा फर्स्ट प्राइज पाइला, सेकेंड रे उत्तर प्रदेश, देन गुजरात, पुदुचेरी जॉइंटली थर्ड प्लेस रे अछन। ओके, आ यूनियन मिनिस्टर सीआर पाटिल जे कि जल शक्ति मिनिस्टर अछंती सेही अवार्ड को देइथिले। Which Indian recently received the IAF World Space Award for the Chandrayaan-3 mission? The correct answer of S. Somnath. Tumain Festival, the only festival held in a refugee camp, recently received which award? UNESCO World Heritage Award, Cultures of Resistance Award, International Refugee Cultural Award, or D. Global Peace and Unity Prize? So the correct answer about option B, Cultures of Resistance Award. Tumain Festival in Malawi, founded in 2014, is an annual cultural event held within the Jaleka refugee camp. ठीक है. The Aga Khan Award 2025 that was recently seen in news is associated with which field? Journalism, architecture, music, sports. So the correct answer about architecture. Next question. Who has been honored with Professor V.K. Gokak Award 2025? A. Anand V. Patil, B. Vikrant Sinha, C. Mohan Misra, or D. Ananta Bikram Singh. So the correct answer will be option A, Ananta B. Patil. Which Indian received the UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award 2025? Tejoswini Singh, Pallavi Mehta, Vandana Shiva, Jinali Modi. So the correct answer about Jinali Modi. Option D, Jinali Modi. किए दउची यूनाइटेड नेशन एनवायरनमेंट प्रोग्राम दउची ए अवार्ड टाकू 2025 रे यंग चैंपियंस ऑफ द अर्थ काफ मिलला जिनाली मोदी. ओके, recognizing innovators from India, Kenya and the USA. The award is UNEP's flagship youth engagement initiative under 30. National Geoscience Award is instituted by which ministry? Ministry of Science and Tech, Ministry of Mines, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs. So the correct answer about option B, Ministry of Mines. Which Indian group won the UNDP Equator Initiative Award 2025? Ali Self-Help Group, Chamoli Self-Help Group, Gram Chetna Self-Help Group, or Bibi Fatima Self-Help Group. So the correct answer about Bibi Fatima SHG Self-Help Group. Which village in Uttar Pradesh has been selected for the Indian Subcontinental Responsible Tourism Award 2025? Karikot Village, Bahraich, Manikpur Village, Chitrakoot, Bahadra Village, Saharanpur, or D. Cholapur Village, Varanasi. सबू जाक यूपी रही. तो यूपी रो को विलेज टा अवार्ड पाइछि इंडियन सबकंटिनेंटल रेस्पॉन्सिबल टूरिज्म अवार्ड. सो द करेक्ट आंसर होबो ऑप्शन ए, कारिकोट विलेज इन बहराइच डिस्ट्रिक्ट. आईसीआरटी अवार्ड पाइछि. आईसीआरटी अवार्ड के दउछि? आईसीआरटी इंडिया फाउंडेशन विथ द सपोर्ट ऑफ मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज्म. क्वेश्चन. Where was the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics 2025 held? A. Jaipur, B. Dehradun, C. New Delhi, or D. Mumbai. So the correct answer about Mumbai. India won 4 gold medals plus 1 silver medal at the 18th International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics, which was held in Mumbai. Next question. Which state government has launched the Bhogeshwar Barua National Sports Award? A. Rajasthan, B. Assam, C. Sikkim, or D. Odisha. So the correct answer will be option B, Assam. Next question. India has received the certificate of elimination of trachoma as a public health problem from the WHO at which event in May 2025? Option A, 78th World Health Assembly Geneva, B. G20 Health Ministers Meeting Gujarat, C. World Health Summit Berlin, or D, none of the above. So the correct answer above option A, 78th World Health Assembly in Geneva. Next question, who has been conferred with the Srimant Shankaradev Award in June 2025? Shobhana Narayan, Sonal Mansingh, RML Bhalli, or D, Richa Das? So the correct answer will be Sonal Mansingh. Next question, which state won the India Energy Storage Alliance Industry Excellence Award 2025 for battery manufacturing? India Energy Storage Alliance Industry Excellence Award. Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana, or Odisha? So the correct answer will be option C, Telangana. Who won the 2025 Pen Pinter Prize? Haruaki Murakami, Samantha Harvey, Jason D. Leon, Leila Avilela. So correct answer haba Leila Avilela, जे कि गोटे स्कॉटिश और सुदानीज ऑथर 2025 रे पेन पिंटर प्राइज जीति चंती. Which Indian won the 2025 United Nations Population Award for promoting gender equality? Option A, Swati Maliwal. Option B, Lakshmi Agarwal. Option C, Barsha Deshpande. Option D, Onuba Bhonsle. So the correct answer will be Barsha Deshpande. Option C. Next question. Which state has recently got National Award for Excellence in Tuberculosis Testing? Odisha, Telangana, Bihar, West Bengal. So the correct answer of option B, Telangana. Who won the Abel Prize 2025 for mathematics? A. Chandra Sethi, B. Manjul Bhargava, C. Masaki Kashiwara, or D. Terence Tao? The correct answer of Masaki Kashiwara from Japan. Which state has been awarded the Future Conservationist Award for the conserving the Malabar grey hornbill? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka. So the correct answer of Kerala. Okay, answer about Kerala. Okay, which agency was recently honored with Udyog Vikas Award at the Udyog Vikas event organized by Janmabhoomi Delhi in Kerala? Option A, Invest India. Option B, National Industry Corridor Development Corporation. Option C, Indian Infrastructure Corporation, or D, none of the above? Answer about NICDC. Option B, NICDC. Pulitzer Prize is associated with which field? Sports, journalism, entertainment, or agriculture? The correct answer about journalism. Next question. Who has won the 2025 World Food Prize? A. Shakuntala Harak Singh, B. Surinder Bhasal, C. Yuan Longping, or D. Mariangela Hungria? So the correct answer of Mariangela Hungria from Brazil. Which banking institution won the Digital Transformation Award 2025 by Central Banking London? A. RBI, B. Central Bank of India, C. State Bank of India, or D. NABARD? So the correct answer of RBI. Ramnath Goenka Award that was recently mentioned in news is associated with which sector? Journalism, education, healthcare or sports? तो करेक्ट आंसर हम जर्नलिज्म किए पाइछि तो मृदुलिका झा ऑफ आज तक न्यूज won the रामनाथ गोयनका अवार्ड फॉर एक्सीलेंस इन 2025 for reporting on donkey route used by Haryana youths to illegally enter the USA. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Our favorite, our state's pride, Sudarshan Patnaik. जदि अपन चैनल नुआ अछंती देन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनेबे आज पे एतिकी जय जवाहर।